Miss, A is equal to minus 14 and D is 9.
A is equal to minus 14 and
Minus 14.
yes, and D is
Yes, Miss.
found out D?
Yeah, Miss. D is 9.
Yes, correct. Now let's find out the sum of the first 10 terms.
Okay. Miss, is it 265?
265. Yes, it's 265. Correct. Good. Now I've sent another question, another picture on the group. Can you check it?
Yes, Miss.
I want you to do the question 11 on this. 11 and 12. Do you understand the question?
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah. What will we do?
I don't know what to do at the moment, but
All right.
I
Let's
do.
do it together. Okay.
But I wrote down everything.
Let's do it together. Okay. So what does it say? It says the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 95, which means S10 is 95. And the sum of the first 20 terms of the same AP is 290. So the sum of the first 20 terms is 290. Calculate the first term. We have to calculate A and we have to calculate the common difference, which is D. So now again, they've given us two things. So we're gonna have to make use of these, right? So it says sum of the first 10 terms is 95. So to find out the sum, what is the formula? Tell me.
N over 2
N over 2.
multiplied by 2A plus N minus 1 into D.
Okay. This is the sum formula. Now for S10, we're gonna do 10 upon 2. 2A, which is gonna give me 20.
We have to use simultaneous equations, right?
Yes.
No, I think we can find D and then we use the difference equation to find A.
Yes. No, you're gonna do this. 95 into 2 is 190 divided by 10, 19. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 19. This is going to be my first equation. Now,
Okay, I know what to do from here.
yes, now from the second sum of the 20 terms, I'm going to find out the second equation and find a and d simultaneously. Do this and tell me the answer. In every question, they're going to give you the data that you need to find out a and d, right? So just make use of whatever they're giving you, use the formulas, and you're going to get somewhere. Either they're going
Okay.
to give you the sum of the terms or they're going to give you the term itself. That is going to help you. There is, just remember, there are only two formulas in this chapter. So whatever the question says, it's going to come down to those two formulas. There's nothing new.
Miss, the first term is 5 and common difference is 1.
This is the 8th question. 11th question. So the first term is 5 and common difference is 1. You're right. Okay, can you do question 12 for me?
Yes, miss.
So I'm just going to read it out and you're going to tell me what to do, okay? Given that both the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP and the sum of the 11th and 12th term of the same AP are equal to 60. Find the first term and the common difference. Too much information.
Miss, can I just have 1 minute?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, miss. Miss, I don't understand, like,
Or understand?
some of the 11th and the 12th term,
Yeah, that's true.
like,
Okay. Given that both the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP, matlab, this means sum of the 10 terms, right? And the sum of
yes,
the 11 and the 12 terms. This means T11 plus T12. Both of these are equal to 60. This is what they're saying?
yes, miss.
Yes. Now sum of the first 10 terms, how do we find that out? N upon 2, right? 10 upon
Yes,
2,
so just 5.
yes. 9D is equal to 60. So we solve this 5. 60 divided by 5 is
12.
12. 2A plus 9D. See, this is the first equation. Now T11 plus T12 is equal to 60. What is the formula for T11? A plus
T11, A plus N minus 1 into D.
ND, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus T12, yeah, which is A plus 11D is 60. A plus 8 is
Oh,
60
okay.
plus 21D is 60. This is my second equation. Now I'll find out A and B.
Okay, miss.
Good. Let's do this now. Calculate A and B and tell me.
Miss, A is equal to minus 12 and D is equal to 4.
Can you tell me the question number?
Miss 12.
12. Okay. Uh, you said A is equal to what?
Sorry.
It's minus 12 and 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, correct. Okay, I'm gonna send one more question. Are you getting a hang of it, Kizra?
Yeah, miss.
You find it difficult?
Um, it's fine. Like now that I solved a few questions, like I get how to manipulate the equation.
Yeah. Okay, I've sent another question on the group. Just wait. I want you to do the do question 14.
Okay, miss.
Read the question and tell me if you think you can do it. Do you understand the question?
Yeah, miss. So I just like get the simultaneous equations and solve for A and D.
Yes. And then you find out the sum of the first 10 terms.
Yeah.
Do this and then do question 15 and 16 of the next picture.
Sorry, miss. Do this question and.
And both of the questions in the next picture.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss.
Yes.
For the first term and difference, I got so the first term is 1.5 and difference is 0.5.
No, that's not possible. This is question 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
Question 14. And let's do it together, okay? Hmm. I'm gonna do it in front of you. So it says the eighth term is This is question, you're doing question 14?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it says the eighth term is 5 and the sum of the first 16 terms is 84. 84. Eighth term is 5, this means A plus 7D is 5. A is equal to 5 minus 7D. Sum of the first 16 terms, so 8. 16 upon 2 is 8. 2A plus 15D is 84, right? 84 divided by 8. 2A plus 15D is 21 upon 2. 4A 4A plus 30D is 21. 5 minus 7D plus 30D is 21.
Miss.
Yes?
4a plus 30d is equal to 21.
Yes.
I
I multiply the 2 over here by this equation.
Okay. I mean, anyway, it's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. 20 minus 4 7 is 28. D 8 plus 30D is 21. 21 minus 20 will be 1 is equal to 30 minus 20.
Minus 28 plus 30.
You got half?
Yeah, that's what I said. A is equal to.
Then that's fine. You got,
But Miss, didn't you say it can't be in fractions?
it's not, it's half. Wait, let me see. And the question might be wrong. And then what are they asking me to find out? The first 10 terms? What did you get? AS?
1.5.
Okay, now just do the question. Just calculate the sum and tell me the answer.
Okay.
I'll get back to you on this.
Miss 37.5.
Okay, you're right. Okay, Chisra, D can be a ratio. Now I'll just tell you the concept of this, okay? Okay,
Okay, Miss.
okay. So what the basis of AP is, just understand this. For example, this is A, right? This is the first term. A plus D will be the second term, okay? Now to find out the third term, I'm going to have to do A plus 2D, right? And then over here, A plus 3D. What this means is, for example, A is 3 and I'm taking D as 3, okay? So A plus 3, which is 3 plus 3 will be 6. Now to find out the third term, I'll have to do 3 plus 2 into 3, which will give me
9.
9, right? And then this will give me A plus 3 into 3. This is 3. So this will give me 12. So this is basically the basis of this. So even if you put a ratio instead of D, for example, if I put 1.5 and I'm going to have to multiply this by, initially I'm going to be adding this and then I'm going to be having to multiply it by 2. Then I'm going to be multiplying by 3. So the formula also says the same thing, right? What does the formula say? A plus n minus 1 D. What is n minus 1 basically? It's the, like over here, this is the third term, right? So I have actually done n minus 1 over here. You understand?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. You're going to understand it more when we do GP, because you're going to know the difference between arithmetic progression and a geometric progression. Till now, are you understanding the questions?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. Have I sent another question on the group? Yes, I have, right? Do question 15 and 16. These are different questions.
I'm sorry, miss.
Do question 15 and 16 of the next picture.
Okay.
And Kisra, you're fine with me giving you a homework question so you can practice?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So we not, when you come back, I'm going to be giving you homework questions, but when you come in the next class, we're not going to be discussing every question you've done. We're only going to be
Yeah, only my
discussing
doubts.
difficulties, okay? And when we're done with AP and GP both, I'll give you past paper questions to do. So you can do that on your own as well, and then we're going to discuss your difficulties.
Okay, miss.
This way
Miss,
we cover
the
more.
whatever homework you're giving me, can it be past paper questions? So I don't have to do extra work for like first homework and then past paper questions.
What do you mean?
Like, you know,
No,
you're
I'm
gonna
going
give
to
me
be giving
homework,
you the
right?
past paper questions and homework only. That's
Oh, okay.
yes. But that will be when once we're done with AP and GP both, because in your paper, these two topics come together. Like in the first part, they're going to be asking you to calculate the arithmetic progression, and then they're going to be asking you to calculate the geometric progression. So we're going to have to cover both of these topics first.
Okay.
And these questions, what you're doing right now, they're very similar to the past papers. Do you understand the question?
Yeah, miss, I just use the sum formula and find n from that by like substituting the values.
You use the sum formula.
Yeah,
You mean
because
question
it gave the sum of the. I'm doing 15.
15 says, I think you're doing the wrong question because 15 says and AP has for the first term 2. You're doing this question?
Yeah, and then so A is equal to 2 and then D is 5.
Yeah.
And then it says sum of the first n terms.
Yes. Okay.
Miss, in this question, we're gonna end up with a quadratic equation, right?
You're gonna end up with a quadratic equation. Yes. If you're getting a quadratic equation, you're probably gonna get a negative and a positive n,
Yeah,
and you're gonna select the positive one because n can't be negative, right?
yeah. So n is equal to 7.
Yes, you're right. Do question 16.
Miss, how do I do 16?
Let's do it together. There's the first term of a mathematical progression. The first term of the series is 38. So A is 38. And the 10th term is 2. So T10 is 2. So A plus 9D is 2.
Oh my god, okay, never mind, Miss.
You understand?
Yeah. Miss, D can be negative, right?
If D is negative, it means it's a negative series, right?
Yeah.
Next term will be smaller than the previous one.
Yeah. Miss, N is equal to 2 or N is equal to 18.
Yes. Now there's this other question I've sent on the group. We're going to do this together. And then we're done. Okay, so what does it say? It says a child is collecting conkers. He collects 6 conkers on the first day of the month and stores them in a box. So on the first day, he collects 6 conkers. So if we take the days as the terms,
Yeah.
so the first term is 6. On the second day of the month, he collects another 10 conquered, which means the second term is 10, and adds them to his box. He continues in this way, each day collecting 4 conquers more than he collected on the previous day, which means D is
D is
4.
4.
Yes. Find the day of the month on which the number of conquers in his box will first exceed 1,000. What does this mean?
So you're gonna find the day which you get 1,000 conquers first, and then just the next term of it would be.
So what are they saying? Basically, they're saying that we have to find out the day on which the sum of the terms exceeds 1,000, right?
Yeah.
They're saying find out n where which is greater than equal to 1,000, right? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? Do you want me to explain it?
Miss, it's like it's only greater than 1,000, not equal to, because it says.
Equal to, they're saying the first day of the month on which the number of the conkers in his box will first exceed 1,000. This means when it will be 1001, I need to find out that day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do equals to, or you cannot do equals to. They will not cut your marks on this. It does not
Okay.
matter. Okay. You just have to find out n. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Calculate n and tell me. Are you done?
Yeah, Miss, almost. Miss,
Yes.
I'm not getting any real solutions.
Okay. What are the numbers you're getting?
Like, I got the quadratic equation 4n squared plus 8n plus 2000.
Yeah.
Now, I mean,
So
when I'm
take
using
4
the
common.
quadratic, yeah, but when I'm forming the quadratic equation, like the discriminant,
Yeah.
like the value inside it is the negative.
Yeah. One of them will be negative, one will be positive.
No, miss, like when I'm square rooting it right from the quadratic equation,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm getting like a negative number inside the square root. So I can't square root it
Why are you square rooting it?
because I'm using quadratic formula to find the value of n.
Okay. So just first take 4 common. You're gonna get n square plus 2n minus 500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, 4n squared plus 8n. Okay, minus.
Plus 2n. No?
Yeah.
No, for 8n, so just take 4 common and take that 4 on the other side of the equation, the right side. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, miss. 1 second.
And they just do middle term breaking, just solve the equation, you're gonna get 2 answers.
Miss 22
What?
is n equal to 22?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood? You understand?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Okay, Kesra. Now I've sent you some questions on the group that you can do at home. Okay. Now when is your next class? It's on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now just do them and just mark whatever questions you're not able to do. We're gonna do them together on Monday, and we're gonna start with geometric progression. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Did you understand what we did today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Thank you, Kesra. Take care.
Thank you, miss. Have a great day.
You too.